All right, we have some breaking news coming in. That's after getting interim relief. B.S. Yediyurappa himself has spoken to Times Now. He has lauded the Karnataka High Court's decision, as one would expect. Listen into what he had to say.
Relief for you, sir, from the court.
Relief? According to me, there is no doubt about it. They have given the relief. And at 17th, I am going to attend the court also.
Sir, your BJP leaders are saying that this is vendetta politics that the government is playing, sir. But you are confident of the law.
I don't want to comment all the such things. I got the relief. I am going to attend on 17th.
Sir, yesterday in court, sir, the judge has hinted somewhere that there is some malified intention. Otherwise, a non-bailable warrant was not needed, sir.
I don't want to comment all such things.
In fact, HTK has also backed B.S. Yediyurappa, and we'll be playing out that reaction as well. But first, we're going across to my colleague Neha, who had interviewed B.S. Yediyurappa. Neha, Yediyurappa, as one would expect, is calling it a big relief, whereas the Congress obviously says it's just temporary, it's just interim. It doesn't mean that the end, or it doesn't mean that the case is ended.
Well, that's absolutely right. You know, of course, what this essentially means is that there's temporary relief over here for the BJP veteran, as he's still summoned. Of course, you know, he would have to appear before the investigating agencies on the 17th. But the court, they're very strongly ordering that he cannot be arrested or detained until the next hearing. Now, when is the next hearing? Of course, while there's no date, it's still left pending. We're being told that it would be a week after the next. That's what the court has said. Of course, on 17th, it would be quite crucial here to see, you know, what questions are, of course, asked to him, whether there's any actual, you know, basis for the claims for this entire case that's been filed against him. We're seeing that a massive political war of words, of course, has broken out over this entire issue, with BJP leaders here going on to, you know, attack the Congress, saying that this is political vendetta against their tallest leader, and the Congress party, of course, defending their stand. The Chief Minister, they're saying that this is not vendetta politics, that the law of the land is what will prevail. We'll really have to wait and see. Monday the 17th, a very crucial day there for B.S. Yediyurappa.